Lesson Introduction to Business Analytics. At the Business Analytics with Excel course, offered by Simply Learn. This lesson will introduce you to various types of analytics. It also explains the analytic concepts and the related examples for understanding them better. Let's start with understanding what exactly analytics is. In today's data-driven world, analytics plays a vital role, not only in the businesses, but also in the various fields, such as sports, healthcare, finance, government, and many more such fields. We have seen so many books on analytics that have become global bestsellers. People who are able to apply analytics, known as data scientists, are hailed as having best jobs of the 21st century. Now you must be thinking, what analytics really is. Analytics is a scientific process to examine raw data, to draw meaningful and logical sense of the data. It gives insights about the information to the organizations that will enable them to make better decisions. The study of analytics often involves analyzing historical data to look for the potential trends of the past in order to understand the effects of certain decisions or to evaluate the performance of the business based on the decisions. The goal of a proper analysis is to improve business by gaining a comprehensive knowledge of past trends and decisions, which is the basis for which corrective actions can be taken. For example, say the operations head of a multinational tire company wants to do a detailed analysis of defects during the tire production at its various manufacturing plants across the globe. Every time there are defects on the tires during the manufacturing process, the defect is stored with a predefined defect code. Through proper analytics implementation mechanisms, the operations head can perform an analysis for every product, on every machine, for every operator. He can also obtain results for the number of defects in each plant. This is how companies optimize their supply chain performance using this concept. They do a predictive analysis, using historical data as the base.